Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be discussing how I would get into Bitcoin if I was starting again. I currently hold Bitcoin and have done so for many years. I didn't get in right at the beginning, but got in at a more than early enough time to deliver some big rewards. I have seen how Bitcoin has transformed from a non-mainstream asset class into one of the largest market cap assets in the world. And today I'm going to talk you through the steps I would take if I had to start all over again with the price of Bitcoin where it's at today. Before we get started, all I ask is that you like and subscribe, as that really helps us continue to bring you free content. I hope you find this useful as it comes with years of experience, and we will break this down into key steps. Before we go into the detail, to avoid this video being very long, we are going to cover some of the key points, rather than going through all the information about how Bitcoin started, what its purpose is, and other areas. I can do another video on this if you guys need it. Just drop a comment and we can check it out. This isn't just another video discussing some things you can do with Bitcoin. It is based on real-world knowledge and experience. So let's get started with the steps. Step 1. How to hold Bitcoin. Bitcoin isn't like cash where you can just place it into a bank account. Bitcoin works very differently to cash or money in your typical bank account. Firstly, you need a reputable company to hold your Bitcoin. These companies also provide you with the opportunity to purchase Bitcoin directly through them, and you can use companies like Coinbase and CoinDesk. We call the place where we hold our Bitcoin a wallet. There are many others, and you can research them online to see which one suits you best. You do have the option to hold your Bitcoin on a device. This is called a cold wallet. You do have to be aware this can come with risk. If you have your Bitcoin on a device, you will also need a code to access the Bitcoin. If you misplace this code, it cannot be simply recovered. If starting out, buying Bitcoin through one of the suppliers we mentioned may be an easier option. Just ensure you are familiar with their fees before starting. When transferring Bitcoins, you don't use your real name. Instead, you use a unique address made up of a mix of upper and lowercase letters and numbers. Creating your own Bitcoin address is simple and fast. You generate a random private key and encrypt it with the click of a button using various free tools. This address can be shared publicly, as it's nearly impossible to reverse engineer it to reveal your private key. Step 2. One popular way to make money with Bitcoin is through trading. Trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies over short time frames, anywhere from a few minutes to several months, to take advantage of price fluctuations. This can be done on various platforms, including exchanges, brokers, or peer-to-peer networks. In contrast, investing generally involves purchasing and holding cryptocurrency for longer periods, often years, with the expectation of long-term growth. Bitcoin trading offers an opportunity to profit from both rising and falling prices in the market. However, trading requires skill and experience, as it involves reading market signals, conducting technical analysis, and constantly monitoring real-time price movements through charts and graphs. Taking advantage of the fact that Bitcoin is volatile can play into our advantage. Step 3. Investing in Bitcoin. Bitcoin can be an exciting journey, especially for beginners entering the world of digital assets. However, it's essential to approach Bitcoin with a solid understanding of its risks and a clear strategy. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you start investing in Bitcoin responsibly. Evaluate your financial goals and risk tolerance. Bitcoin is known for its price volatility, meaning its value can change quickly. As a beginner, consider how Bitcoin's high-risk, high-reward nature aligns with your financial goals and tolerance for risk. Many investors choose to allocate a small portion of their portfolio to Bitcoin to limit risk while still benefiting from its growth potential. Step 4. Decide how much you want to invest. It's often best to start small. Most exchanges allow you to buy a fraction of a Bitcoin, so you don't have to purchase a whole coin. Beginners might start with $10 or $20 to get comfortable with the process. Only invest money that you're willing to lose and increase your investment as you gain confidence. For beginners, an exchange-provided hot wallet may be sufficient, but for larger holdings, consider a cold wallet to enhance security. Familiarize yourself with Bitcoin market trends. Understanding basic market trends can help you make better investment decisions. Bitcoin's price is influenced by various factors, including supply and demand, news about regulation, and technological advancements. Learning simple technical analysis concepts, like support and resistance levels, can also aid in understanding Bitcoin's price movement. You can use a dollar-cost averaging (DCA) strategy. Dollar-cost averaging is a popular approach for beginners, where you invest a fixed amount at regular intervals, regardless of Bitcoin's price. For example, you might invest $50 monthly. This approach reduces the impact of volatility by allowing you to accumulate Bitcoin over time without stressing about timing the market perfectly. In summary, I wouldn't go too fast into crypto. Those who do well usually do so by understanding how it works. It's different from your familiar types of investment. That's why you have to understand it first. You would not learn how to drive at 150 kilometers per hour. Understand how Bitcoin works, and most importantly, how you react when the price of Bitcoin fluctuates significantly. I hope you find this brief video useful and gives you some of the basics. There is a lot more we can help with, so as we said earlier, just let us know in the comments if you would like a video with more detail, and if we get enough requests, we can look at doing a video in the future. Please like and subscribe and comment, and we hope this helps get you started in crypto.